Page 31, A Friend Like You. They have a little thing there that before playing the hands together, play the left hand by itself, naming each interval. I'll let you name the intervals. The thing I want to point out is part of learning a new piece of music is it's best most of the time. Play the hands one at a time. Learn them one at a time. Make sure your fingering and everything is working one hand at a time first. That's just standard. That's part of the approaching a piece of music. Then you can go put the hands together. What they want you to do is name the intervals, and that's boring. I don't want to do that. You do that on your own. I know the intervals. I ain't going to worry about them. Now, in here, you see above the staff, the top staff, they have two sets of words. This is interesting. This is different. Typically, if they have words to a piece, they'll put the words between the staves. For some reason, they've chosen to put them above. It doesn't matter where the words are. The words could be under the staves. You're still going to sing them. This way, at least, if they put them above, then you got room for the dynamics, which belong in the middle, like where it is, and that's the melody. It's MF or mezzo forte, medium loud, sort of loud, kind of loud, whatever. So here, and then these chords in the left hand have to be soft. That's really what that is. Now it starts with an incomplete measure again, because there's only 3 beats in that first measure, which means the last measure, you see that has 1 beat in it. We're good. We got 4 total, but we're starting on beat 2. Remember the natural accents that come on the first beat of a measure? So it's 2, 3, 4, 1. Go down to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Because if you don't do the natural accent, it'll sound like the accent you're starting on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and that's incorrect. So feel that natural accent. I haven't been bringing it out on a lot of these pieces, but if you'll just try and remember to do that on everything you play, it becomes an automatic part of your playing eventually, and it adds so much to the music. It really does. So we're going to play this twice, slowly. They're not really introducing anything new. You have the slurs, and you have the ties, so you know to hold those whole notes down 5 counts, because it's tied to a quarter note. Whole note tied to a quarter note. And the slur, just come up between each slur here. So in the right hand, when you're done with that G and you're going to go on, just lift up. So there's just a little bit of silence. It's just to lift up and go on. And when we're done with the A, again, lift up. I don't know that I would call these phrases. Those 4 notes, to me, don't make a sentence. Because if you read the words, it's like it's a friend like you is hard to find. That's the sentence. So to me, each line is a phrase, but again, that curved line doesn't have to indicate a phrase. It indicates, connect the notes. It indicates a slur, which to me is connect the notes. So the phrase is the whole thing, but still with a slur. Go ahead and lift up. I kind of disagree. I think maybe the curved line, the slur should have gone over the whole line. But they've written it this way. Whoever edited this did it this way, so we're going to do it the way they did it. As we go through the book and the music gets more challenging, I will start suggesting changes to it, and then you have a choice of what you're going to do. But right now, we'll just play it the way they've got it. So I want to play this slowly. I'm going to give us 5 counts again, because it starts on a pickup beat. And we're going to play it twice, because it's repeated. Bring out the melody. You're in G position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, go.